Hello there, wonderful viewers. Thanks for choosing this video from Fixit. Join Fixit on a journey of knowledge and creativity. Today, I will show you how to use Snapchat UltraWide camera. Remember to subscribe and click the bell icon so you don't miss any Fixit magic. Let's get started. Before starting, make sure that you have the most recent version of Snapchat installed on your device. To check for updates, open the App Store or Google Play Store for Android users. Search for Snapchat and click on the Update button if there is any. Then launch Snapchat and activate UltraWide camera from the toolbar. If you can find the certain button, tap on the plus icon from the toolbar. Look for the ultra-wide camera configuration amongst the list and then add it if possible. However, if you don't see the feature at all in your Snapchat settings, there are two possible reasons. One, this feature is still in the rolling out phase and you might not yet have access to it, so regularly check your Snapchat app until this becomes available. The other reason is that your device may not support ultra-wide camera function. The iPhone ultra-wide camera was first introduced with the release of the iPhone 11. Any model that came earlier doesn't have that function. In that case, this Snapchat feature simply won't be compatible with your device. Did this video help you? Comment below if I fixed your problem. Hit the subscribe button for more tutorials. Your input fuels us. Comment something below you would like to see fixed.